Hi, this is Sijini from Trivandrum, and I am here to say about my course content and about my trainer. About myself, I am a dietitian, passionate in writing articles, so I joined the Henry Harvin Certified Content Writing course, and I found the course well structured. The manuals are very well structured, and the contents are very much informative. And I learned a lot new things about like tools, various tools in content creation, and different types of content writing methods like FAQs, research grant proposals writing, commenting, article writing, resume writing, everything like that. It was a very informative course. And about my trainer, 𝒆𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒔, she was very supportive and an expert trainer in content writing, and I am very much blessed that I have the best teachers in my life. Thank you.